We're gonna start on the rear one. And let's find where our little pinhole is. Okay. Just want to get it lined up and barely started in the hole so that we can still get it to go on, but it doesn't lock us up, but we're already started, so we kind of have a reference of where the thing needs to live. So we've got the pin and we are going to get it started in the edge of the hole, just barely. Pop that guy on to the bike. And then we push the pin through once we get it all the way on. There we go, it's all the way on.